In the misty hills of Meghalaya lies a forgotten kingdom, Nartiang, once the center of Jaintia rule, a place where myths and history intertwine. Today we explore its legacy and the whispers of its past.
Welcome to a land where history whispers through the stone. In the heart of Meghalaya, hidden among misty hills, lies a place of ancient glory, Nartiang, the lost kingdom of the giant kings. This place is a testament to a time when power was carved in stone and legends walked these very paths.
These towering monoliths have stood the test of time, silent witnesses to an era long forgotten. They are more than just stones, they are storytellers, echoing the glories of the Jaintia dynasty.
These monoliths are among the largest in India. Some believe they mark the reigns of the giant kings, others say they commemorate great warriors. Each stone has a story to tell, a tale of conquest, courage, and continuity. This was believed to be once the seat of power, where kings ruled over a vast territory. Imagine the grandeur, the courts filled with warriors, poets, and strategists, shaping the fate of a kingdom.
The Jaintia kings ruled over a vast and powerful kingdom that stretched beyond these hills, extending into present-day Bangladesh. From the 16th to the 19th century, they governed with a unique blend of indigenous traditions and Hindu influences. The kings were known not just for their conquests, but for their deep spiritual and cultural contributions, leaving behind structures, rituals, and legends that still resonate in Nartiang today. Each of these monoliths was erected for a reason, some for war victories, some for sacrifices, and others as symbols of power. They stand tall, frozen in time, carrying the weight of a once mighty kingdom. For centuries, the Jaintia people have honored their history through these monoliths, massive stones standing as eternal testaments to bravery, leadership, and sacrifice. Each stone tells a tale, some commemorate warriors and fallen heroes, while others mark significant victory or the reign of a mighty king. This tradition, unique to the Khasi and Jaintia hills, continues in villages where smaller monoliths are still erected to preserve the legacy of the past.
Though kingdoms fall, stories live on, carried through generations, etched in stone and whispered by the wind. Some stories fade with time, but some, like Nartiang's, live on forever.
As we arrive at Nartiang's Durga temple, we come across devotees gathered here bringing offerings of flower, fruits, and prayers, keeping alive traditions that have persisted for centuries and carrying whispers of ancient faith.
Nartiang is also home to one of the most significant Durga temple in Meghalaya. Built by the Jaintia kings, this temple reflects their deep Hindu influences.
As the sun sets over Nartiang, casting golden hues over it. But this is not the end of its story. History breathes in the very soil, waiting to be rediscovered. So that's all, friends, in this video for today. We will see you soon in our next episode. Perhaps one day more of its mysteries will be uncovered. Thanks for watching.